Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel ivím health membership or subscription. Okay, so first of all you need to visit on the any browser and you need to search like how to cancel ivím health subscription or membership. You will see this kind of option, canceling your membership ivím health. When you visit on this page you will see this kind of window. On this window there is a link like my account link. You need to click on this link and you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in into your account you need to navigate, you need to find your subscription details, and you can end your membership very easily. Okay, so this is the first thing. If this method will not work, if you are not a technical person and if you don't know how to handle these kind of because like stuffs and all, so what you can do, you can compose an email. Like this is the screenshot and this is the example only. You can compose an email. In the email you need to provide your name, your account user ID if you have any user ID, subscription details, subscription starting date, end date, your reason of cancellation, why you want to cancel, and in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation also. Once each and everything is done, you need to send the email at this email address support@ivimhealth.com, and once they receive your email they will reply you very soon and they will provide you email your subscription is cancelled or not. If you get reply from their side like your subscription is cancelled, if you get proof of cancellation, it means your subscription is ended. Okay, now if you don't get any reply from their side, it means your subscription is still active. You need to contact with the customer support by dialing their phone number or by using any method, by using chat support or any method. You need to ask a proof of cancellation, why you are not getting proof of cancellation. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And why I'm saying this thing like you need to ask a proof of cancellation, because when we checking reviews on Trustpilot, some customers is complaining like they cancel their membership but still they charging on their account like $74.99 for their membership. Okay, so you need to cancel your auto refills and you need to cancel your subscription. You need to ask a proof of cancellation also. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.